Hi guys, if keyboard is not working in Windows 11 computer, here is what to do. The very first and the easiest method is to open the on-screen keyboard. So use your mouse, click on the start button and then click on settings. Now click on accessibility from the left menu, and on the right side scroll down and click on keyboard. Now just turn this option on and the on-screen keyboard will appear. Just turn this on and the on-screen keyboard will appear, and you can use this on-screen keyboard for doing certain operations until you fix your keyboard. Now one more method is make sure the sticky keys and filter keys are turned off. Okay, if they are turned on, make sure they are turned off. Okay, make sure these filter keys and sticky keys are turned off. Now let's move to method 2. Right click on the start button and then click on device manager to open device manager. Now what you have to do, double click on keyboards and locate your keyboard device driver. Right click on it, click on update driver. Now click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now choose a different device other than the selected one. Click on next and install the device. And now try again and your problem will be fixed. Now if this also does not work, what you have to do, you have to right click on start button, click on run, and now we will type regedit, regedit, and click on OK to open Registry Editor. Now since your keyboard is not working, again go to right click on the start button, click on settings, and the left menu click on accessibility, and the right side click on keyboard, and now just turn on screen keyboard. Now just type regedit using on-screen keyboard, click on OK, click on yes, and the registry editor will open up. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this location, okay, HK local machine, system, current control set, services, okay, and then I8042 PRT. Okay, once you reach this location and the right side locate start, double click on it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK, and now restart your computer and then try again and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, please do like the video.